Hello and welcome. My name is Amulya and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Python. This 3.9.2 is not compatible with Windows 7 and below. Alright, so to download and install Python 3.9.2, which is latest release, we will use Microsoft Windows 10 Microsoft Store. So go ahead and click on this start menu and then type store and type Python. You can see you've got Python. So these are 3 releases available for you: 3.7, 3.8 and 3.9. You can also go ahead and launch the installer from the command prompt. So simply type command prompt cmd and type Python. So I'm going to hit enter. And now you can see this launches Microsoft Store, and this will pull up the latest release for download, and this is going to be 3.9. so simply go ahead and click this get, and this will take care of everything. You don't need to do anything yourself. And you can see Python 3.9 is installed. We can go ahead and launch from here. Now I'll go ahead and close it, and you can see where it's coming from. So we have Python 3.9 cmd, okay, and then we have Python idle. So I'm just launching it, you can see here. So this is idle, you can use. And then let's go ahead and try from cmd. So if I say Python, you get this Python 3.9.2. If I go ahead and launch it from PowerShell, you should see, so it's taking a bit longer. If I say Python, you will get Python 3.9 up and running. So now let's go ahead and try simple hello world application. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to head to my desktop and I'm going to clear the screen. Remember, I'm using PowerShell, okay. Now I'm going to use micro. I guess I already have one. Yes, I have micro, so I'm going to exit. It's an editor that I have installed on my system. So I'm going to use that micro, and then I'm going to say hello.py. So micro will go ahead and create a file on my desktop. It's not yet, so I can go ahead and say print. And I can go ahead and save it with Control S. You can see it says saved, and close it with Control Q. Now I can go ahead and run my hello.py, and it's working. Similarly, you can go ahead and use idle. So you can launch idle from your command prompt or PowerShell, and I can go ahead and open my file hello.py, or you can create one file here, run it. So by pressing F5, and this will run, you can see here. So whatever you prefer, you have everything installed and working perfectly fine. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment below. I will try to answer it. Bye for now.